10 home remedies to lose belly fat without exercise. Belly fat is something no one wants to have. If you belong to the lucky exclusive group of people who are satisfied with their flat tummy, congratulations. But if you stand with us who have something to lose, and that something is belly fat, we have great news for you. We have found 10 home remedies which will help you lose your stubborn belly fat without exercise easily. Yes, we won't make you work out because we know many of us just don't have time for it. So, would you like to lose a few fat pounds without exercising? Like this video so that we know, and pay attention to what we are about to share with you. Number 10. Drink flat tummy lemon water. As its name suggests, flat tummy water is of great help in making your tummy flat. There can be many kinds of it because it is naturally infused water. We all know that it is healthy to drink 8 glasses of water a day, and it is a much better and healthier drink than any juice. To spice it up, you can choose what ingredient to add to your water. We recommend you to try adding lemon to it. Lemon juice and pulp are rich in vitamin C, pectin fiber, and citric acid. Vitamin C sounds like the most familiar thing on the list, but the other 2 things are good for you as well. Lemon can help you speed up the fat burning process and lose weight faster. Pectin fiber in it gives you the feeling of fullness, so you will have fewer cravings to eat something for a while. Making that flat tummy lemon drink is super easy. All you have to do is squeeze half a lemon into a glass of water. Start your day with this drink, and you will flush your body clean of toxins and help your liver work more effectively. 9. Choose cranberry juice over soda. What is your favorite refreshing drink? Did we hear you say soda? Consider a diet change. Cranberry juice tastes just as good, if not better, and is a much healthier choice. It is a good source of vitamin C, minerals, antioxidants, and organic acid, which is a digestive enzyme. If you buy it from a store, you will notice many brands of cranberry juice contain sugar. You should try to avoid them. You can try making your own cranberry sugar-free drink. Cranberries might be a seasonal fruit, but you can still find them at stores in frozen form any time of the year. The transition to this sugar-free drink might be hard for those who can't live without soda, but it is worth it because health matters and a flat tummy looks great. 8. Add chia seeds to your diet. How often do you add chia seeds to your meals? If the answer is regularly, it means you are doing the right thing. Chia seeds are a great source of antioxidants, fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. All this makes them a great ally at losing weight. If you don't use chia seeds in your meals, it is a good time to start doing so. We'll teach you how. First of all, it is important not to eat the seeds dry. Only use the hydrated ones. Then, how can you integrate them into your diet? Try doing it with the most important meal of the day, breakfast. A fiber-rich breakfast will do your body much good. So try adding a spoonful of chia seeds to your oatmeal as you cook it, or add it to your smoothie. Chia pancakes made of egg whites, banana puree, and chia seeds are also very yummy and healthy. If you prefer scrambled eggs, chia seeds will go well with them too. 7. Spice up your diet with ginger tea. Ginger tea seems to be too spicy for? Maybe you are just cooking it wrong and adding too much ginger. The right amount of it, however, is a healthy must. Ginger burns fat, makes you feel full, and brings down your appetite because it regulates blood sugar. Sounds impressive, right? So, try it yourself. Brewing some healthy ginger tea is simple. You're going to need 2 inches ginger root, 4 cups filtered water, 2 tablespoons of organic lemon juice, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey. You chop the ginger root and add it to freshly boiled water. Let it stir for 5 minutes covered with a lid. Wait for it to cool down a bit and add the remaining ingredients, lemon juice and honey. These 2 benefit your health in their own ways. You can serve this drink hot or cold. Taking it regularly will help you advance on your way to a flat belly. 6. Sip green tea to lose belly fat. Green tea is much more than just hot water with a flavor. It is a powerful detoxifier. Perhaps you didn't know that it has caffeine in it. Yes, just like coffee. Caffeine is known for its fat-burning powers when it is consumed in reasonable amounts. But the best green tea has its antioxidants called catechins. So, it makes your skin glow and your fat burn, both during exercise and rest. Brew yourself a cup right now. 5. Experiment with dandelion tea. dandelion? Yes, that cute little flower turns out to help in weight loss. Dandelion tea is becoming a more and more popular drink these days because people find out about its medicinal properties and they want it. You can use either the leaves or the roots of dandelion to make healthy tea. Infused dandelion leaves help to improve the digestive process and contribute to weight loss. See? Fat must be first broken down to burn. Drinking dandelion tea helps to break down fat easily. The energy released thanks to that breakdown contributes to your stamina, and you can lose weight a faster rate. And it also does that make you feel full trick, so you will want to eat less after drinking it. We made it to our top 4. Do you want to try any of the remedies we recommended so far? Then like this video and share which of them you want to try out in the comments. Keep watching till the end to find out what is the miracle food when it comes to fat burning and one important secret that is true for all remedies. Number 4. Don't underestimate the power of cayenne peppers. Have you ever noticed what effect eating a spicy pepper has on you? Yes, it is hard to ignore. Your body temperature rises and it goes into cool down mode. As a result, it burns calories faster. It also increases your metabolism. If you crush cayenne pepper and ginger together, you will get a powerful fat-burning mix. Take it with your meals every day. A study carried out in 2014 has shown it helped to make people feel more full, and so they had fewer cravings. 3. Add coconut oil to your diet. Coconut oil smells like heaven and is a superhero when it comes to fat burning. It has a unique combination of fatty acids in it, which is great for your metabolism. Coconut oil in your diet helps you lose abdominal fat. That very bad fat which stays around your organs and can cause serious trouble like diabetes and heart disease. Getting rid of it will do you much good. And yes, it will help you get rid of stubborn fat around the buttocks, waist, and thighs. Organic refined coconut oil should become your best friend when it comes to sautéing, stir-frying, and baking. Virgin or extra virgin oil has a strong coconut flavor. 2. Use cinnamon. Cinnamon has its own ways of helping you lose fat. It is great at controlling blood sugar levels in your body. It also speeds up your metabolism and helps your body use carbohydrates, which would otherwise turn into excess fat. So have it every day when you can. Add it to yogurt or cottage. Spice up your smoothie or your oatmeal for a healthy breakfast. Or take a cinnamon capsule before you eat. Again, it will help you control your appetite. 1. Use garlic to lose belly fat. We made it to the top of our list. Meet garlic. Okay, you have most likely met it before, but you might know it is a miracle food when it comes to burning fat. It suppresses appetite and sends full signals to your brain. It increases metabolism by stimulating your nervous system to release the hormone of adrenaline. It prevents fat from accumulating in your body. You are still unsure if you should have it because of the stinking smell? Don't doubt it. The effect will be worth it. Chew 3 to 4 cloves of raw garlic in the morning, and then have some lemon water. Remember, all these remedies will also work as an addition to your workout plan, so we don't encourage you to leave the gym forever, but showing you what you can work even without it. Finally, a very important thing to remember is that there is one thing which can ruin it all, so you should avoid it. That is not eating hamburgers every day, even though it's bad to. That is stress. When you worry a lot about being too fat or not seeing any effect of your new diet plan, your body produces stress hormones. They affect your digestive system, and bam, it leads to bloating. A stressed body also produces cortisol, which adds a fatty layer to your belly. So, sleep at least 7 hours every day. Don't use smoking as a stress reliever and do the things you... Subscribe to our channel not to miss our updates.